It's me, Crispy, and today we are doing something a little bit different. That's right, guys. Today it's not about me, it's about the kids. Today I got with me Aaliyah, Colby, and Libby Jane, and we are going to do the extravaganza scavenger hunt and the Spikes Pollination Exploration scavenger hunt all at once. Let's get to it. So far, we've gotten 2 on each of the scavenger hunts.
Yep. She gave us an egg. Here.
Mulan was hiding our egg.
I know I'm a...
Still on the hunt. Off toward Germany for our next egg. You having fun?
Yeah! We have at least 10 more to go before we get our prize, which you'll see at the end what the prize is.
Most people think that the World Showcase is just for drinking and eating, but there's a lot for the kids to do too. There's also a lot of learning experiences inside of the World Showcase, such as the American Adventure. Not to mention some really cool shopping. All right, guys. How many of you guys got left in the extravaganza?
5. I got 5.
And what about for the pollination exploration?
I got 7, but maybe.
7 left? You guys having fun with it?
Yeah.
There's also tons of quiet spots and nooks inside of the countries to where you could just chill out and have a snack.
If you're struggling finding egg, don't hesitate to ask a cast member.
Hey guys, send a little pixie dust my way. Hit that like and subscribe button. Give that bell a little ring-a-ding-ding. This way you know when I upload a new video and you can get right on it and check it out.
I got a Fruit Loop shake. It's really good. Hi everybody, I got a fried cinnamon bite. So it has a crispiness, and I love the cream cheese sauce. I'm not a cream cheese person, but it's actually really good. I like the candy bacon on there. This is my dad's lunchbox, and this is my cup.
Who's on them?
Figment and Figment.
Alright, what about you, Aaliyah?
I got a Sprite cup from my acorn.
And what about you, Lebs?
I got orange bird lunchbox.
He went driving last night and he kept crashing. Here, buddy. There we go. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Keep a little bit of magic in your everyday life. Spread a little joy. You never know whose day you might just turn around. And I'll see you guys real soon.